Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove any virus from Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove any virus from Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. Now in left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection, or click on Virus and Threat Protection from at a glance. Click on Quick Scan. It will scan all viruses from your computer. Scan is finished and no current threat is showing. Now close Windows Security. Go to File Explorer. Now again go to Search. In search type Disk Cleanup. Now click on Disk Cleanup and here select your drives. First I have two drives. First I am selecting drive C and next click on OK and then click on Clean up System Files. Again select C drive, click on OK, select all and then click on OK. Click on Delete Files. Cleaning up C drive. Then again in this way you can clean up your all volumes. Now right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type TMP. Now click on OK. Click on Continue and delete all temporary files from here. Press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete all temporary files. Close File Explorer. Again right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type %temp percentage and then click on OK. Select all temporary files and press Shift plus Delete to delete all temporary files permanently. Click on Yes. Now close File Explorer. This is the easiest way to remove all type of virus from your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.